Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be discussing about app you need on your phone to navigate the road to financial success in Nigeria. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a freelancer, or someone looking to level up your financial gains, these apps will certainly make a difference in your finances. To easily get this app, I've attached in the description below the links that you can use to download these apps. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing a secret with you, so make sure to watch this video to the end. Kindly like this video and please subscribe if you haven't. Let's get straight to the point. And the first app we're going to talk about is the cryptocurrency app. With the rise of cryptocurrency in all parts of the world, having a cryptocurrency app is a smart move. Apps like blockchain, Kucoin, Binance, and various other apps will help you to buy, sell, invest, trade, and hold cryptocurrency right from your phone. You just have to research and stay updated about market trends so that you know the cryptocurrency to buy or invest in. If you stick to this channel, I will always bring updates about cryptocurrency regularly, and in my next video, I will explain how you can easily set up and verify a crypto wallet. Secondly, the type of apps you should have on your phone are the side hustle apps. These are platforms where you can find little jobs or earn extra money apart from your main income. Under the side hustle apps, we have the Upwork, we have the Fiverr. It is like a big online market where people buy and sell services. It is an online store for skills. People who need things done like writing, designing, video editing can find someone on Fiverr or Upwork to do it for them. If you're a graphic designer, a writer, a web designer, a digital marketer, a programmer, this is actually for you. And if you're not in this field, you can get people in this field to get the job done for you. All you have to do is to sign up, find jobs, apply, get picked, do the job, and get paid. Having multiple sources of income will result in financial stability. The third set of apps you should have on your phone to navigate your road to financial success are the investment apps. Investments are important in building wealth. Investment apps are special apps that help you to grow your money. Piggyvest and Throws are investment apps that are easy to use and enable you to manage your investment directly from your mobile devices. These include activities like buying and selling stocks, monitoring portfolio performance, adjusting investment strategy, and when investing, try as much as possible to do research on stocks to buy at a very particular time. And make sure to diversify your investment so that you can reduce the risk of losing all your money. And the fourth set of apps we're going to discuss are the saving apps. Saving apps can play a crucial role in helping you navigate the road to financial success. Saving apps are like piggy bank that makes it easy for you to save your money and grow your money. Apps like Piggyvest and Cowrywise will help you to save automatically. All you have to do is set a certain amount of money to be debited automatically from your bank periodically. It can be daily, it can be weekly or monthly. This will help you to quickly meet up the target that you've set for yourself. These apps will help you to also save in Naira or dollar because a lot of us are actually scared of the fall of Naira. So you can as well save your money in dollar on these apps. And you can also accumulate interest as you save on these apps. I think that is actually great because saving on these apps will actually yield more interest than leaving money in your bank account. Piggyvest and Cowrywise cannot be overemphasized because they both serve as a saving app and an investment app. Another app you should also have on your phone are the budgeting apps. Budgeting can speed up the journey to getting rich if it is perfectly done and stick to. It will help you to manage your money wisely and keep a record of how you earn and spend your money. Apps like Spending Tracker and Money Lover can help you create a perfect budget for yourself, thereby taking control of your finances. A lot of people earn to spend without planning to save any money, and this often results in financial strain. It is important to always create a budget and stick to it so that we can spend our money judiciously and also have some money to save. And lastly, the other set of applications you should have on your phone are the educational apps. Education is a crucial factor in achieving and maintaining financial freedom. I kid you not, you cannot be rich without acquiring some certain skills and knowledge. YouTube and Skillshare are apps that enable you to acquire knowledge or skills that can improve your productivity. A few months ago, I learned how to edit videos on YouTube. With that skill acquired, I can now offer services to people on Fiverr and Upwork as side hustle. So these apps are important to help you to acquire knowledge and skills that can easily help you to navigate the road of financial success. I promise to share a secret with you at the end of this video. And here it is. So this is for people that are interested in affiliate marketing or dropshipping. You should take TikTok more serious. TikTok is a great app that cannot be overemphasized. It is a social app that can help you reach out to millions of users even when you have little followers. So you can make a video about the products that you want to sell and post them using good keywords and SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. These are possible keywords that people search for online that are related to the product you are making a video about. All you need to do is to attach your affiliate link in your bio so that people interested in buying your products can buy through that link, and so that you can get a percentage from the sales of these products. If all these apps we've discussed are properly put to use, I can ascertain that you are very close to getting rich. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.